Break HR Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get hiring tools wrong. They assume resumes alone tell the story. The surprising truth about Break HR is how it uses AI to assess skills, cognitive ability, and cultural fit, and you won't believe how much it can improve your hiring process. Here's how it works. Break allows HR teams to create assessments, rank candidates, and gain insights into strengths, weaknesses, and compatibility with team roles. The platform evaluates cognitive ability, personality traits, and behavioral tendencies. For example, a recruiter filling a technical role can see which candidates not only have the skills, but also match the company culture, reducing turnover and improving team performance. Most people get this wrong. They assume interviews are enough, but Break adds data-driven insight to support better decisions. Additional features include integration with ATS systems, customizable assessments, and detailed reporting dashboards. Companies also appreciate anonymized scoring to reduce bias in hiring decisions. However, there are considerations. Some smaller businesses may find setup and subscription costs higher than traditional methods. Most people assume AI replaces human judgment. It doesn't. It complements it. In conclusion, Break HR is ideal for companies seeking smarter, fair, and more efficient hiring. Its combination of AI-driven assessment, reporting, and integration improves the quality and speed of recruitment. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of HR and hiring software.